Jeep Wrangler front wheel bearing. Front wheel bearing display with sensor. Tools needed to replace Wrangler wheel bearing. Heavy-duty socket extension bar. Large adjustable ratchet. Large torquey wrench. Large electric impact wrench. 36-meter heavy-duty socket. Large short extension bar. 21-millimeter deep socket. 18-millimeter deep socket. 1/2-inch to 3/4-inch adapter. Large universal joint. Large 13-millimeter triple square socket. Adapter. Medium 8-millimeter short socket. Using an 18-millimeter deep socket with a short extension bar. Break the lug nuts loose. Raise the vehicle. Using an 18-millimeter deep socket with an electric impact wrench. Remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a 36-millimeter heavy-duty socket with an extension bar. Loosen the axle shaft retaining nut. Have someone press the brake pedal while loosening the nut. Using an electric impact wrench with a 1/2-inch to 3/4-inch adapter and a 36-millimeter heavy-duty socket to remove the axle shaft retaining nut. Remove the nut. Unclip the ABS wiring harness clip from the brake hose. Continue removing clips. Using an electric impact wrench with an adapter and 8-millimeter socket. Remove the metal inner fender liner. Remove the metal inner fender. Behind the front strut tower is the ABS wiring harness connector clip. Remove it. Remove the connector. First, release the lock. Remove the connector. Using a 21-millimeter deep socket with an electric impact wrench. Remove the brake caliper bracket retaining bolts. Remove the other brake caliper retaining bolt. Remove the brake caliper. Use a brake caliper hook to hang the caliper. Remove the brake rotor. Using an electric impact wrench with universal joint and a 13-millimeter triple square socket, remove the wheel bearing retaining bolts. Remove the bolt. Remove the bolt. Rotate the knuckle. Remove the retaining bolt on the other side. Use the same tool to remove the retaining bolt on the other side. Remove the bolt. Remove the bearing and dust shield. Separate the dust shield. Prepare to install the new bearing. New bearing display. Install the bearing and dust shield together onto the knuckle. Install the bearing retaining bolt. Using a 13-millimeter triple square socket with a universal joint and electric impact wrench to tighten the bolt. Using a 13-millimeter triple square socket with a torquer wrench. Tighten the bearing retaining bolt. Tightening torque, 70 Newton meters or 52 foot-pounds. Rotate the knuckle to install the retaining bolts on the other side. Continue threading the bolts in. Using a 13-millimeter triple square socket with a universal joint, an electric impact wrench to tighten the remaining 2 retaining bolts. Using a 13-millimeter triple square socket with a torquer wrench, tighten the remaining 2 retaining bolts. Tightening torque. 70 Newton meters or 52 foot-pounds. Add a short extension bar to tighten the other bolt. Install the brake rotor. Install the brake caliper. Remove the hook. Install the caliper. Thread in the brake caliper retaining bolts. Install the other brake caliper retaining bolt. Using a 21mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench, tighten the brake caliper retaining bolts. Tighten the other retaining bolt. Using a 20mm deep socket with a torquey wrench, tighten the brake caliper bracket retaining bolts. Tightening torque 100 Newton meters or 74 foot-pounds. Tighten the other retaining bolt. Secure the ABS wiring harness clip along the brake hose. Secure the clip. Secure the ABS wiring harness connector. The location is directly behind the shock absorber. Install the metal front wheel inner fender liner. Install the bolt. Using an 8mm short socket, adapter, and electric impact wrench to tighten the bolt. Use the same tool to tighten the remaining bolts. Continue tightening the remaining bolts. Install the axle shaft retaining nut. Using a 36mm heavy-duty socket with a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch adapter and electric impact wrench, tighten the axle shaft retaining nut. Using a 36mm heavy-duty socket and extension bar to tighten the axle shaft retaining nut, have someone press the brake pedal while tightening. Install the wheel. Thread in the lug nuts. Using a large 18mm deep socket and a large short extension bar, with a large electric impact wrench to tighten the lug nuts, lower the vehicle. Using a large 18mm deep socket and a large short extension bar, with a large torque wrench, torque the lug nuts. Tightening torque 150 Newton meters, 111 foot-pounds.